Building your own desktop or workstation is an incredibly fulfilling journey that will save money for you and your business in the long run. Understanding what components work best for you. It is the first and the most important step in building a PC. We are here to help you. Basic components of a PC are the case, central processing unit, CPU, power supply unit, PSU, motherboard, random access memory, RAM, graphical processing unit, GPU, and storage, either a hard drive or a solid state drive. CPU. CPUs have various specifications such as cores, clock speed, threads, and cache. We will focus on an important specification that matters most today. Core. Each clip can be made of 1, 2, 4, 6, or 8 cores. For the professional video editor or designer, having more cores will be beneficial to boosting performance and speed. Cache memory. This is the processor built-in RAM that assists in accessing the central memory. Actual RAM faster. There are different layers of cache referred to as L1, L2, and L3. The higher capacity yields faster response. Threads. Like cores, multi-threading is only beneficial when running multi-thread applications such as video editing, programming, heavy multitasking, and 3D rendering. Motherboard. After deciding on CPU, you can move on to picking a motherboard. Motherboards have specific chipset that support certain CPUs and sockets. Always double check what socket your CPU requires. There are 3 common motherboards from factors: ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX. They all are vary in size and compatibility when it comes to other hardware connectivity such as GPU, RAM, and Serial Advanced Technology Attachment SATA ports. RAM. RAM is the computer's short-term memory, which is essential to everyday tasks you run on PC, such as loading application, browsing on internet, and running demanding programs or software. PSU. The PSU is one of the most important component of your system because it drives electric power to run your system. Every PC component utilizes a certain amount of wattage, and buying a powerful enough PSU will ensure your system's stability and longevity. There are also PSU modules that are non-modular, semi-modular, and fully modular. GPU. GPU is the processor that specializes in rendering visuals and video onto the display. When it comes to application or tasks that require heavy graphical processing such as 3D visualization, large display mirroring from monitor to television screen, or entertainment, you need to invest in GPU. It comes down with 2 choices, AMD and Nvidia. Both companies offer a wide range of GPUs from entry-level to extreme high-end units. Storage. The 2 storage options are the hard disk drive (HDD) and the solid-state drive (SSD). HDDs are usually more affordable and come with bigger storage space, making them useful for storing large amount of files like photos, videos, and documents. On the other hand, SSDs are more expensive but process data reading at much higher speed, which is perfect for boosting OS or applications. Choosing between HDDs and SSDs can be difficult at first, but remember, you can always easily install more storage after you finish your build. The first step will always require some in-depth research about what you want in the build. Afterwards, you can move on to specific models by prioritizing affordable pricing, solid brand name, customer review, and compatibility. The best part about building process is that you can always upgrade or swap components in future. If you are looking for building PC, then type servizz.in on Google search bar. There you will get all necessary components of PC with installation option.